To install SDK on your PC on Windows, we go to the Google Mail of our teacher, go to the Google Drive, select GT Online, and downloading the install Android SDK Windows. Download. Save file, or we can open it. It will be easy. Open file. So we have file. The first thing we need to, we can copy or just, we will copy this link, copy link, and paste it in new window. Then we are looking for Java runtime environment, pressing on this link and pressing free download. Agree and start. Save file. On the Firefox all downloadable file you will see here. Just press on this file and install it. It's downloading some other things, components. And the installation takes around a minute. After download completing, we're waiting for the new Windows. Don't forget to uncheck this box because it's toolbar, we don't need it. Press next. It's showing that I have already installed the Java, so you can press yes just to double check that you have the right version. It's installing, and after it will be installed, you will see this window. You have successfully installed Java. Just close the window, it shows a new window. Okay, then we need to install our the SDK. So opening the document and copying this address, copy link, and paste in your window. Okay, going to the bottom and download the SDK only platform and choosing your platform. I have 64-bit Windows, so just press the button. You can read this or don't read. Check the box and download and install. Save file, and it shows around 2 minutes, 83 megabytes. We will wait for 2 minutes. Interesting, do I have the same accent like Portnov? Because I'm Russian speaker too, but I don't know. I'm only 1.5 years in the US. So I hope you will understand me. Not so good teacher like Portnov. But maybe I will help somebody. 38, couple more seconds. 30, 29, 28, 20. Okay, after it's installed, we simply press the install. Yes, next, next. It shall install just for me. Next, where we need to install, and so on. I won't be installing because I already have installed this thing. After installation completed, you will see on the start button, just pressing the switch SDK, so you can run the SDK manager. After you run SDK manager, you should check tools, uncheck this one if you have checked, and Android 4.1.2, and install packages. I don't have this button active because I already have installed them. When you press this button, you should check the box that you agree with term in use and so on, and just install it. After you finish installing this thing, just restart your computer. After restarting your computer, what we do? We go into the SDK manager, press in the tools and manage AVDs. We'll see this window. Or you can just in the Windows press AVD and run AVD manager, doesn't matter. I create the test, but you don't have this one, so I will delete it. Yes, okay. Create new one, Android virtual device, name it test. Type of the device Nexus 1 3.7. The target is Android 4.1.2. The CPU AB, it's Intel Atom. Just check those two things and press OK. Result of creating, blah blah blah. Check the test and press start. Launch. We'll be launching like for starting like for a couple minutes, maybe up to 5 minutes, just to start our device. What we should do next? Well, it's starting. We need to prepare our file for Genius Track for installation. We are going to the Google Drive and finding the Genius Track Android. Download this file. Okay, save this file. It will save somewhere here, Genius Track. Okay, open in the folder so we can see this in one window. And we need to open new window, just Windows E on your keyboard, and we need to find where we install our our SDK. So to find out where we install the SDK, just find in the start menu SDK manager, or if you don't see the SDK manager, just press SDK. Here you go, right mouse click, properties, and there is on the target you will see where is your SDK manager installed. We just simply copy C and so on till the last dash. We don't need this accent file. Copy it and paste in the window that we opened before, SDK. Press enter and looking for platform tools folder, you can close it and just drag and drop it over here. It says that I have already that file, should just move and replace, or you won't see this, just move, I don't know, it will show. Okay, now we have the file over here and our virtual machine is working now. So what we need to do next? Press start button and write down CMD. Press enter. When we will see such windows, what do we need to do? We need to write down CD spacebar, the quote, and we need to put the address, this one address. See, I have user chuchi app data blah blah blah. Copy and right click, paste, and don't forget to close the quote. Press enter. You should see something like that. Then we check in our as I understand, we're checking our virtual machine. To check it, we write down adb devices, press enter. It should show like this: emulator 554 device, something like that. When we checked, we need to install our Genius track. So we copy the file to the other folder, and what we need to do, we write in adb install open quote and copy this information over here. Oh, I'm sorry, Control V doesn't work, so we need to paste. Okay, and we write down the dash, and we need the name of the file. You can write that by yourself or easily right click, properties, and copy the name of the file fully. You should fully copy the name and paste in the end like that. And don't forget to close the quotes. It should be done right like that. If you miss something, it won't work. And just press enter. It's working, thinking, and you should see success. When you saw the success, it means that you installed Genius track on your virtual machine. So we have virtual machine. Just to unlock it, I have no idea how to unlock. Oh yeah, kind of that. It's very slow. Okay, Genius track family. Double click and you can work with your mouse. Thank you. I think it was helpful.